Hey guys! So, today I have something a little bit different for you guys. My husband and I just celebrated our 6-year wedding anniversary and actually 15 years together, which makes me old. I wanted to surprise my husband with something a little different because we're not big anniversary people, we're not big Valentine's people. We don't really do gifts like that for each other. We would rather spend our money on travel and things like that, making memories. But I found like $115 tickets round trip to Denver, and it was just too good of an opportunity to pass up. So what if I find a way to get us tickets to Denver for Memorial Day weekend, so we only have to take like 2 days off work, buy the tickets, and then surprise him with them. So really it's a gift for the both of us. And I did just that. But just handing him an envelope with the tickets would be way too boring. Nobody wants to watch that. So I actually sent him on a little scavenger hunt, just 6 clues kind of around our house to get to the ticket. All right, so now I'm gonna show you guys how I led him through the house to find these clues, and then of course what his reaction was at the end. Okay, Papa, open the drawer. Is there something in there that doesn't belong in there?
Clue 1. Dun, dun, dun. Adventure is waiting, let the fun begin. Find the next clue where the mail comes in.
Where does the mail come in?
The mailbox.
Let's go.
Okay.
Do you know what a scavenger hunt is?
Yeah.
What is it auf Deutsch? Schnitzel?
Schnitzeljagd.
Why is it a Schnitzeljagd? Do you get
Schnipsel.
Do you get Schnitzel at the end of it?
Schnipsel, that's ein Schnipsel.
Oh, Schnipsel, like paper. Little pieces of paper. What do you think's happening?
I'm gonna find a Schnitzel.
You're gonna find a Schnitzel. Okay, quick context. Our mailboxes are not in front of our house. We have group mailboxes. So, we're gonna take a little walk. What's in there?
It's a clue number 2.
When are we gonna do?
Mailbox.
Yeah, I had to remember where to put the clues.
Fun around every corner, so much to do. Take a look at the map for clue number 2. So.
Well, look all around the corners of the map. Maybe it's behind the map. Look, bend over. You're too tall. That's the problem. Look down.
Up here. Clue number 3. Map.
You're giving away all my secrets.
Look for the clues, but don't get stressed. You will find the next one where you get rest. Alright.
Look by your hats.
Clue number 4.
I did that for you.
Dankeschön. Closet.
Love it.
Have you heard the news? The next clue can be found where we keep our hiking shoes. Whew.
What did the clue say?
Hiking shoes. hiking shoes.
Okay, somebody got excited.
No, this thing yet, you're almost done. The next clue is waiting by your pillars. How fun!
Ready?
We'll help him find the envelope.
I have mine in the box before.
Ja?
Yeah. Hi, buddy.
Dang.
Da ist er ja. Machst du es mir auf? Reißt es mir auf?
But then you're gonna have to find mine. It opens by
Jetzt machen wir meins, okay?
It's mine is gonna be for you too.
It's the end of the road, but it's been fun. A surprise awaits where the laundry gets done. Okay.
You're very good at finding these envelopes. Excited? I've never done a Schnitzeljagd for you.
Nee? Stimmt. Certificate, you are the best. Oh! Ho, 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 ho.
What is it?
Oh!
You're just focusing on one picture, aren't you?
We're gonna go to Colorado and gonna rent an ATV. Awesome.
You know where in Colorado we're going?
Moraine Park Campground. Rocky Mountain National Park.
You excited?
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that. I really enjoyed putting that together, and I think it's kind of a cute creative idea with the scavenger hunt and having him walk through the house, and you can tell he was actually really excited. I wasn't sure how he was gonna react because, you know, I did book a ticket for plane tickets without asking him and confirming, and there's always like a little bit of fear when you do something like that. You know, whether they have something planned for that date. But no, he was super excited, and he even later in the day told me a couple times, oh my gosh, I can't believe it, this is so exciting. And this will actually be our first vacation that we're taking without Sophie. So that obviously is a little bit scary as a mom. Just, you know, she stays with my parents all the time, so it's not a big deal, but it's a little different when you're in a different state and your child is, you know, at home. Anyway, I know that we're just gonna have so much fun, and we're so pumped to like see the Rocky Mountains and camp in them, and I think that it'll be a great time of year at the end of May. Please let me know below in the comments if you want me to vlog that trip or create a travel guide for that trip on how to like camp in the Rocky Mountains or how I plan this trip. But yeah, just leave me some feedback below. I would love that, and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it, and hit subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video.